In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a notebook in Microsoft OneNote. Renaming a notebook is really helpful when you're trying to stay organized, especially if you have multiple notebooks for work, school, or personal projects. Maybe the notebook name you started with doesn't quite fit anymore, or you just want something clearer and easier to recognize. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently change the name without affecting your notes. First, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. At the top of the OneNote window, you'll see the current notebook name, usually in the upper left corner. This is the notebook that's currently active. Before you try to rename anything, double-check that you're working in the right notebook, especially if you have several open at once. Next, open the notebook list or navigation pane if it isn't already visible. In most versions of OneNote, you can do this by clicking the notebook name at the top, which drops down a list of your other notebooks. This list shows all the notebooks that are currently open in your OneNote app. Look through the list and find the notebook you want to rename. Make sure you have the correct one, since notebooks with similar names can be easy to mix up. Once you've located the notebook you want, you'll need to open the location where it's stored. For most people, that will be OneDrive or SharePoint, since OneNote notebooks are often saved online. In many desktop versions of OneNote, renaming a notebook has to be done through the web, not directly inside the app. If you see an option like Open in OneDrive or Open in Browser, go ahead and click that. This will open your Notebooks folder in your default web browser. Now that you're in OneDrive or your online storage, find the folder that represents your OneNote notebook. The folder name here is what OneNote uses as the notebook name. To rename it, click the three-dot menu or right-click the folder. Then choose the Rename option. Type in your new notebook name, making it clear and specific so you'll recognize it later. When you're happy with it, save or confirm the change. Finally, go back to OneNote. If the new name doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or close and reopen the notebook, or even restart OneNote. After it refreshes, you should see the updated notebook name in your notebook list and at the top of the window. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully renamed your notebook in Microsoft OneNote.